Emily Howsego. I have specialised in medical and cosmetic micropigmentation since 2012 and taught at multiple international academies. My background is fine art, and I have developed my own techniques over the years using tried and tested methods to get the best possible healed results for many different scars, such as post-surgery, skin grafts, injuries, self-harm, stretch marks, and vitiligo. Having worked with multiple different brands over the years, the healed results I get today are by far the best I've ever seen. I am now a proud ambassador for Amiea. So after this course, not only will you stand out in the PMU crowd and increase your income, but also help new and existing clients who need it the most. You can find all the pigments and products from today on the official Amiea website. You can use my discount code EmilyH10 on checkout.